Facebook is one of the leading web advertising platforms in the industry. Worldwide, there are over 2.70 billion monthly active users on Facebook, and approximately 1.79 billion people on average log on to Facebook daily. Facebook has huge number of active users. This definitely requires amplification on awareness on digital security requirement. So to be safe and secure, here are some safety tips. Do's. Download app from trusted source. When you install Facebook from unknown source, it can infect your phone. Share to friends only. When you share something on your wall, that means anyone in your friend list on Facebook can see it. Set up your privacy setting. Adjust the privacy setting so no one could tag you on their post without your approval. Fact check before sharing. Always verify the post before sharing or forwarding it. Lock your profile. You can lock your profile from strangers. Only limited content will be shown to strangers if they visit your profile. Don'ts. Do not upload every activity. Don't use your wall to share your each and every activity. This thing may be used by any cyber criminals and can harm your work. Don't add strangers. Check every profile before accepting their friend requests. Do not add strangers. Don't upload personal information. Do not upload your contact number and place and address on your profile. Do not click on links. If you receive any link on a personal message or on your Facebook Messenger from strangers, avoid clicking on it. It might be a phishing trap. Do not share login information. Do not share your username and password with anyone. Your account can be compromised.